What is up, guys? It is Gaming with Michael here, and welcome back with another video. Today I will be unboxing the brand new iPhone XR product, Red Edition. This is my personal phone, by the way. There is 64 gigabytes iPhone XR. I'm actually doing a live on Instagram. Okay, so I need something to hold this. Oh God. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay. I will film with one hand, I guess. Alright, so let me open it up. Oh my God. Easy to open. Plastic, I will keep you forever. And now it's the iPhone. Holy crap, I'm so happy. Right. Open it now. Designed by Apple in California. That's the product right there. Right there. Okay. Oh my God, the phones. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, look. Oh my God. I'm doing both camera views right now. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's see. This bad boy, product Red. It's like some global fun thingy. Hello, welcome to your iPhone. All this will be useful for me because I'm coming from a 5S. No, my Apple sticker. It came bent. No. Well, whatever. It came bent. Okay, yeah. Product Red Edition. Now for the iPhone. Actually, I'm holding it upside down. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my God. Product Red. iPhone XR. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm going to put it in here. Comes with this little bull crap right here. And the earbuds. And a charger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Hi stream. Go follow my Instagram. Link in description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And I'm recording on a phone because my camera is broken. Bye bye. Say bye to stream. Bye.